Looking for a reliable solution to keep your drinks and food perfectly chilled? The top 5 best thermoelectric cooler offers compact design, energy efficiency, and quiet operation, making it ideal for road trips, camping, or home use anytime. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ivation Thermoelectric Cooler. The Ivation Thermoelectric Cooler is a versatile solution for keeping your food and beverages perfectly chilled or heated while on the go. Utilizing advanced thermoelectric technology, this cooler maintains drinks at an icy 40 degrees Fahrenheit and hot foods at 130 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your perishables stay fresh during camping trips, road trips, picnics, or outdoor events. Its large interior compartment provides ample space to store bottles, food trays, dishes, and even 2-liter soda bottles, making it ideal for families or groups traveling together. Cleaning the cooler is a breeze thanks to its easy clean design that requires no costly maintenance. The innovative dual function system allows users to switch effortlessly between cooling and warming modes with a single button, ensuring convenience and reliability in any setting. Pre-chilling or preheating items can enhance its performance, locking in freshness and achieving optimal temperatures quickly. The cooler's built-in fans circulate air efficiently, maintaining consistent temperatures throughout the compartment, while its durable construction ensures longevity even with frequent outdoor use. Lightweight yet robust, the Ivation Thermoelectric Cooler is portable enough for hiking, camping, or tailgating. It is an excellent option for those seeking a reliable, multifunctional cooler capable of handling a variety of food and beverage storage needs. Whether you need to keep chilled drinks on a hot day or maintain the warmth of freshly cooked meals, this cooler offers both practicality and performance. Number 2. Wagan Thermoelectric Cooler. The Wagan Thermoelectric Cooler is a practical, energy-efficient solution for travelers who want to enjoy fresh food and beverages on the road without relying on messy ice or frequent fast food stops. Designed with a 14-liter capacity, it can hold up to 12 soda cans and standard-size water bottles, along with healthy snacks such as fruit or yogurt, providing flexibility for both short and long trips. Its dual-function design allows for cooling to temperatures 32 through 36 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient or warming up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for various food and beverage needs. The intuitive hot-cold off switch includes indicator lights, allowing users to quickly see which mode is active, while the simple slide temperature control ensures easy operation. Powered by a 12-volt DC outlet, the cooler is perfect for vehicles, with a 6-foot cord reaching the back seat for passenger convenience. Its built-in shoulder strap enhances portability, allowing travelers to carry it effortlessly to picnics, camping sites, or outdoor events. For home or hotel use, an optional AC adapter is available, further expanding its versatility. The compact design fits conveniently in the front center console or back seat, maximizing space efficiency in your vehicle. With its lightweight, durable construction and reliable thermoelectric cooling and warming capabilities, the Wagan Thermoelectric Cooler is ideal for those who prioritize convenience, portability, and cost savings during travel. Number 3. Wagan EL6206 Thermoelectric Cooler. The Wagan EL6206 Thermoelectric Cooler is a compact, efficient solution for keeping food and drinks at the perfect temperature while traveling. With a 6-quart capacity, it offers just enough storage for essentials without taking up excessive space in your vehicle, making it ideal for solo travelers or small families. Its dual-function capability allows for both cooling and warming, achieving maximum cooling approximately 36 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient and heating up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Pre-chilling or preheating items is recommended to help the unit reach optimal temperatures quickly, ensuring your beverages and snacks remain fresh during your trip. The cooler's portable design includes a convenient carry strap, allowing for effortless transport to and from your vehicle or outdoor destinations. Unlike traditional refrigerant-based coolers, the EL6206 uses environmentally friendly thermoelectric technology with no CFCs or chemicals, providing a safe, sustainable cooling solution. Its compact dimensions make it a perfect personal fridge for road trips, camping, or even office use, while still accommodating multiple 12-ounce cans or small food containers. The unit operates quietly and efficiently, ensuring minimal disruption during travel. Lightweight and easy to use, it only requires a standard 12V DC power source for operation, offering reliable performance without the need for ice or additional cooling packs. With its combination of portability, eco-friendly design, and dual-function capabilities, the Wagan EL6206 thermoelectric cooler is ideal for travelers who need a compact, dependable cooler that fits seamlessly into their lifestyle. Its simple operation, durable build, and efficient performance make it a practical choice for maintaining temperature-sensitive items on the go. Number 4. Ivation Premium 8 Thermoelectric Cooler. The Ivation Premium 8 Thermoelectric Cooler is designed specifically for wine enthusiasts who want to preserve the flavor, aroma, and quality of their collection. As a dedicated wine cooler, it provides a stable temperature range of 46 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, creating an ideal environment for short-term or long-term wine storage. By maintaining consistent humidity and minimal light exposure, it protects corks from drying out while preventing sunlight and UV rays from altering the wine's natural characteristics. Its CFC-free insulation and thermopane doors ensure an odor-free interior, preserving the delicate balance of your wine over time. The energy-efficient thermoelectric system operates quietly with no compressor, minimizing vibration and allowing sediments to settle naturally for proper aging. This cooler is perfect for both red and white wines, ensuring every bottle maintains its intended taste and aroma. Its compact yet elegant design allows it to fit seamlessly into kitchens, dining areas, or wine cellars, while offering enough capacity for several bottles. Unlike traditional refrigeration methods, the Ivation Premium 8 uses environmentally friendly thermoelectric technology, providing quiet, vibration-free cooling for optimal wine preservation. Whether for casual enjoyment or serious collection purposes, this cooler ensures wines are served at the right temperature and retain their full flavor profile. With its combination of precise temperature control, protective design features, and quiet operation, the Ivation Premium 8 Thermoelectric Cooler is a top-tier option for anyone looking to maintain the quality and taste of their wines efficiently and elegantly. Number 5. Ivation Premium 6 Thermoelectric Cooler. The Ivation Premium 6 Thermoelectric Cooler is another exceptional option for wine storage, offering a consistent, stable environment for preserving the taste and quality of both red and white wines. Its temperature range of 46 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit ensures optimal storage conditions, allowing wines to age naturally while maintaining their intended flavor profile. The cooler's insulated design with solid polyurethane foam coupled with thermopane smoked glass doors blocks light and protects the contents from external odors, humidity fluctuations, and harmful UV rays. This thoughtful design prevents corks from drying out and maintains a stable climate for proper aging. The thermoelectric cooling system operates quietly and vibration-free, minimizing disturbances to wine sediments and ensuring bottles mature gracefully. Its compact footprint allows it to fit comfortably in kitchens, dining areas, or small wine cellars, while still accommodating multiple bottles for short-term or long-term storage. The unit is energy efficient and environmentally friendly, requiring minimal maintenance while offering precise temperature control. For wine enthusiasts, the Ivation Premium 6 combines style, function, and reliability, ensuring each bottle retains its true character, aroma, and flavor. Whether used for everyday wine enjoyment or as part of a growing collection, this cooler provides peace of mind that every bottle is stored under optimal conditions. Its elegant design, practical features, and dependable performance make the Ivation Premium 6 Thermoelectric Cooler an excellent investment for anyone serious about preserving the quality and taste of their wines. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.